Alright, Assalamualaikum dan juga salam sejahtera. Hai, kembali lagi ke Zau Vlog. So hari ni kita nak buat sikit reaction video tentang trailer terbaru filem Primate. Aku tengok siapa Cikgu buat ni, Cikgu Syaril. Dia buat reaction dan dia kata trailer ni best. So jom kita tengok trailer ni dulu. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1.
911, what's your emergency? Crazy. He killed all the others. Who killed the others?
Oh.
We're in Hawaii, baby.
This is crazy. This is home. There's someone I want you to meet. This is Ben.
My hand? He wants to shake my hand?
Yeah. Hi, Ben. Our mom rescued him, and now he's part of our family.
Oh.
Happy.
He's kind of cute. Ben? Did something bite him?
Kenapa?
Ben? There's something wrong with Ben.
Oh, bapak creepy shell.
Hey, what happened? It's me, Lucy. It's okay.
Ben can't swim!
Oh, Ben tak ada ni, berenang.
You're in the phone. Try recent calls.
Yes, it's ringing. Brad, listen to me. We need help.
Oh, you need some help?
Send some.
What the fuck? Dia mengingatkan aku macam ada satu macam ada satu filem Nope Nope ke? Aku rasa Nope. Kunci dekat monyet tu. What the fuck? Oh, dia buka bonnet.
He found me.
Wait, what the fuck?
What's up? Sure this is the right place?
Who the hell has a pet chimp?
Wih, bapak creepy Syah. Dia punya attitude dia macam bapak. Wih, seram gila. Wih, aku tak terfikir Syah. Dia mengingatkan aku macam tu. Ada satu filem Jordan Peele lah. Cerita Nope ke? Yang dia bukan the whole film, dia intro dia je kot. Yang masa dekat macam reality TV. Lepas tu tempat tu berdarah sebab haiwan tu on the rage. Dan kalau tak silap aku pasal monyet kot. Dan Nope ni pun Nope lah. Dia macam sama dengan Primate ni. Wush. Wih, boleh masuk Malaysia ke tak ni? Ada mana studio mana ni cerita ni? Looks good man. God damn. Paramount. Oh, Paramount UIP lah. Bila dia keluar? January 9. Okay. Aku tak sabar nak tengok cerita Primate ni. Looks good. Apa pandang guys dan trailer Primate. Kemudian berhentikan kau bawah. Jangan lupa like, share dan juga subscribe channel Pure Pixels. Dan jumpa lagi pada Zaf Vlog yang datang. Thank you.